we gotta get everything comfortable. Yeah, look at toward Eddie. And I have my brother Eddie Anglo here recording my camera. It is my first time in Las Vegas, ladies and gentlemen. Eddie, come back over here.
Is it really? No.
Come back, we get it really nice. So I was supposed to cut Susan's hair at the premiere show. Just Susan, look straight, don't turn your head, please. At the premiere show Orlando, but it didn't happen. The reason being, I was in too much hurry, and the show was crazy busy.
But I cut it myself.
You did?
Yes.
When?
I don't know.
You stick to the cape, let me stick to the hair. Keep your head straight and just relax. Look at that sign, the triangle sign at the bottom. Miss Susan has been making my capes for quite some time. We've known each other probably 20 something years because you've given me a red cape, I still have it.
A red one?
Yep. Many, many years ago when I was, I guess, working with Petrocelli and, or who knows.
With Armando?
Yeah. La Brasiliana. Now we're working with the Turbo Power guys next door. It's amazing though. She happen to be next door neighbors, and I owe her a haircut. She always gets me in the shows. And I even had a pass last time, and I was going to try to get my friend in with that pass because Damiano gave me a pass. Come closer. And yeah. But anyhow, it's a story for another day. So we're doing an amazing job here, IBS show, and Susan is very picky with her hair, so I'm making sure. Look down for me, please. She's so picky with her hair, but she's at the same time, she cut it herself. Susan, turn and look at your product. That way we get your product in the turn your body. Eddie, back up from here. Just relax, okay? We're staying at the Scissor Palace. Yeah, Eddie is the boss there. I got him here because I was able to. No, I don't do gambling. Eddie does. He's a leisure gambler. Turn all the way. You know, I used to not be able to bring my scissors, not check in, but carry on. This time, I was able to carry on my scissors. Hold on, yeah, I got you. I gotta put it behind my ears too. So I'm making sure my hair can be behind my ear or under my hat. And you know what else? You're gonna be able to see your haircut. Have you seen the girl I did her hair at the Idea show? The Spanish girl.
Oh,
She does
Vanessa?
social media, yeah.
Yeah, Vanessa. Yeah.
Keep your head straight, don't turn your head. Now, chin up a little bit.
iHeartMedia.
Okay, excuse me, I don't know what that is.
iHeartMedia.
Okay. Chin up. She said, I said, I don't know what that is. And she said, it's a clone. I meant that I have media. Susan, when's your birthday? Yesterday or tomorrow?
No, Friday.
Friday?
Yep.
Happy early birthday. This is my birthday gift for you.
Okay.
I'm hoping that you're going to make my...
I'm going to be 39 again.
Okay, whatever. I believe you when I believe you. Alright guys, this gorgeous lady, she's always a sweetheart to me and always makes my pass for the shows. She even made one time for my son, Sergio.
Does Sergio work with you in the salon?
I wish. Sergio doesn't listen to me. Eddie, come over here. Sergio doesn't listen to me.
Children don't listen. They get older.
He's not children, he's going to be 25 October 2nd. You're a naughty, petite girl.
And then I was like, wow, my mom was really smart.
Well, I was telling that Adi earlier. My dad told me, bring a shear, scissor, and leave it in Turkey. Whenever you come here, you don't have to worry about it. I told my dad, what do you mean? I'm not going to leave a scissor. My scissors are so expensive. Now I'm thinking my dad was 100% right. Look, you had too much volume here, too flat there. By the way. Where's your phone?
It's black because I'm a baby.
I know.
So back to New York, the baby.
Oh, yeah. Look at me. Look at me. 'Cause I'm done, almost done. Shake your hair. Fill it with your hands. Get on the stage. Your shoes made in Italy, by the way. Get on the stage. The color of your fingers that matches my tie. How do you like it? The best of the best, this amazing lady.
This is the best.
Well, it takes one to know one. I appreciate you, always. Shake your hair and have a happy Sunday morning.